If you want to move data from or to USB flash drive on POCO F7 Pro, then after connecting the USB flash drive, we can go, for example, to the File Manager app that is pre-installed on this phone. You can also try to use files. It should work as well. However, in this video, we're gonna cover this one. We're gonna switch to the storage, and of course we have different types over here. We can also tap on more in order to find more options. Let's say I want to transfer some images. So now over here what I can do is press and hold my finger on the first image that I want to transfer. And let's say I'm gonna choose these two over here. And now we can then press move to the bottom of the screen. Of course, I'm now transferring from the internal storage to the USB flash drive. So in this case, I need to choose USB storage since I'm transferring to the flash drive. And then I need to choose where I want to save it. So let's say I'm going to choose the CIM and then save it over here by using this check. And these files have been transferred. Now, if you want to transfer from the USB flash drive, then of course, in storage, we can go to USB device, find your data that you want to transfer, and we can do the same thing. Just press and hold to select everything that you want to transfer. Once again, select move. This time we're going to choose internal storage, and we want to select where we want to save it. So I'm going to choose the camera folder over here, press this check, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!